Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the annual long burp contest.
We have a great amount of competition lined up for the evening.
Don't you think, Alex?
Yes, I do, Nat. I do. And it's very simple. All you have to do is whoever burps longest wins.
What do they win, Alex? A prize?
No, Nat. They're all here for the heart of the game.
Now that just inspires me. These contestants came from all over the country and all over the world.
Actually, they came from all the way down the hall.
Really?
Yep.
Well, let's get this thing started. And now for our first contestant! What's his name? Cooper! Cooper! What do you have for us today, Cooper?
Well, I'm gonna see how long I can burp for.
That makes sense.
Gotta admire him.
I love his commitment. Looks like he's ready to let one rip.
That's all?
Well, you know.
That was good. That was good. He's just gonna have to face some fierce competitions. So I don't know. Our next contestant is Kasim.
I'm going to burp as long as I can as well.
You can see his methods are like a dancer in preferably hip-hop.
Wow, a new technique.
As he drinks soda, which may help his performance. Do you think it might help his performance? Awesome! Totally incredible, Kasim. You've blown us away.
Yeah.
And now up next comes the lovely, talented, and beautiful Rosalina. Rosalina?
Well, I'm a little nervous, but I totally think I can win. Wow, that was lame. I apologize on behalf of all girls. I guess we're not cut out like boys for good burps.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're having our first annual Naked Brothers Band burp contest.
Oh, cool.
I think we have a winner. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful! Absolute master of the art!
Genius.
Jesse,
Boy, natural.
Jesse, you're the winner. How'd you do it?
I don't know. It just came to me.
That was amazing. Now that you won the annual Naked Brothers Band contest, what are you gonna do?
I think I need to sit down.
Tune in next week. That's all we have for today. Next week, Jessie rivals to defend her title.
Bye, everybody.
Catch the Naked Brothers Band only in Team Nick.